How you doing over there, bud?
Would have been better if you didn't fart.
That's my bad. A little gassy today, no big deal. Actually, it's probably the monsters, man. So it's today we are doing a DIY video, which I believe so many people out there are going to be able to benefit from. This is something that first off, who doesn't need USB ports in their car? And honestly, I used to be the kind of guy that puts just a little USB adapter in a cigarette lighter, and honestly, it works, but you know, it's kind of bulky, it's out there, you've got wires hanging out all the place. We got a $10 mod right here that is going to make it. By the way, link for this little guy will be in the description, so go ahead and grab one, guys. They're about 10 bucks. And we're gonna do a super clean, super stealth way of having a built-in USB port like a brand new car. Let's just hop in, let's get this thing installed. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, hop in your vehicle, and then we're gonna get inside here. Oh good. All right, so first things first, kind of figure out where do you guys want this thing to go. Now, if you guys have an S13 like myself, there is a couple little already factory options you guys can go with. If you want to go ahead and delete your cigarette lighter in general, take it completely out, boom. This part literally will sit perfectly in here, okay? Perfect. Now, if you guys even want, you can take off this little rubber thing. Hang on. You can see like that, it just slides perfect, like literally perfect. Now, you just take off this little cap, so essentially it's just kind of not in the way. So this is definitely the easiest way to go for mounting. However, for me, guys, I might go ahead and put it in here. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can fit that under here. If not, we'll just go ahead of this route, but because of just how deep it is, you know, I don't know if I'll have the room under here, but if not, this will be perfect, and I'll show you guys wiring in just a minute. So upon further investigation, I tried to go ahead and line this kind of up here down. As you guys can see, this is literally as far as it'll be able to go. If you guys do this mod yourself, let me know in the comments below. Let me know how it goes for you. Super simple. I'm about to show you the wiring. You guys are gonna be blown away. Just kind of figured I'd show you guys. Yeah, see, it's kind of bulbous, you know, it's a good word for this situation. It's pretty bulbous, and also like it doesn't always stay connected. It doesn't, you know, that doesn't look good for me. So let's make it sleek, make it look good. That's what we like around here. Potassium. Guys, on the packaging, it actually says for you to literally just wire it to the hot side and the negative side on the battery. The only problem with that, this is actually LED driven. So when this sees power, an LED switches on, which is, you know, it's kind of okay. Some people may not like it, but I believe there is an option for you to have no LED, and if not, I'm sure you'll be able to find one. Yeah, we're gonna put it on a switched power source, guys. For me, we're gonna dive in. Radio harness works really well. Cigarette lighter will work. However, obviously, we're taking that, the wiring for the cigarette will work. However, for me, I already have a few accessories running off the cigarette lighter, hence all my gauges are. So we're gonna go back here, take off our trim, take off my custom gauge plate, and guys, we have a blue remote wire on the radio harness. It's gonna be blue, I'm pretty sure, in all cars. So this is just one option you guys can take. There are many switched power sources in your car. You guys can make it off the ignition. You guys can do a whole relay setup, but for us, guys, this is gonna be straightforward, super simple and easy, and the radio harness is fused. So positive slide on this guy is literally gonna go to that wire right there. The moment the key is switched on to the accessory position, it will be hot with 12 volts. And the negative post, guys, will literally just go to any spot on your chassis. We'll be done, man. We'll have a USB port installed and complete.
See that?
No, what happened?
I put a sticker on my car.
All right, so just a quick heads up, guys, we have our ground on this bolt right here, which will ground itself out through the threads, which are obviously clean, and then we obviously got that going to the negative port on the USB, I guess, hub, and then the positive goes through here, down here, into right here, which is our remote wire, which turns on via the key. So now check this out. We pop this guy in. Or first, we got to get this ring underneath, so got to unplug one by one. Don't mix them up, because I guess use different color wire if you guys want to keep, you know, keep track of it properly. If you guys do use the same color wire, just go ahead and toss a little plus sign on this guy. Whoa, negative guy over here. That way you don't mix them up. Check that out, man. As you guys can see, she's in there. Just spin the ring up from underneath. Go ahead and put your terminals back on. Let's go ahead and complete this. Actually, you know what? Let's just go ahead and see if the damn thing works first of all. Key on. As you can see, all of our accessories on, and we look down in the gauge. Or I guess it's not even a gauge, it's a port. Oh, oh, we got music. Where's my phone? Oh boy. So, yes, I guess the only downfall, I guess, for some may kind of, you know, may bug you. The light stays on, so I guess if you really want, you can probably find one that doesn't have a light. Or if you'd like, I guess you could probably take this thing apart and rip the light out. But it's on, it's really not that bright, so it's not too big of a deal. Let's go ahead and put everything back together, and we'll give it a test. Let's see if we can charge our phone with it. All right, all complete, all together. Hop in, and everything's looking great. We're gonna turn our key to the on position, you know what I mean? Because if we just did it how they wanted to, this thing will literally stay on all the time. Now basically damn it! Okay, damn Pearl Jam. All right, oh gosh, my gauges are in straight up racer mode right now. You guys see this? Wait. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, we got the gradual. Ooh! Catch me at Rice Fest, gentlemen. I need to get some AEM gauges for down here. Get those red. I need some of those. All right, guys. So check this out. Check this out. This is pretty. I'm actually really excited about this because I mean this is such a simple thing, but you know, new cars all have these, but we take this for granted in the old car world. So that plugs in just like that. Okay. Now we got our super long, check this out, we plug it in here. Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo! She is charging. Alright guys, we out of here. It is late. It is 1 o'clock. I am done. Job done. Now check this out with the key off, faded. Now yes, it's so dirty. I gotta clean this whole interior up. But sweet. All right, guys. So as I mentioned before, link for that product is in the description. Make sure you guys go ahead and grab one yourself. Such an easy mod that honestly changes the game. It just makes everything easier, so much better, and everyone needs USB ports in their life. So if you guys did this mod, like I said, just let me know in the comments below. I'm out of here. Hopefully this little quick DIY helped some of you guys out there and showed you guys that doing this little stuff is super, super easy. Now, for those of you that may have to drill a hole, grab the Harbor Freight. There's a plastic hole saw kit. It's like $12, guys. Not even. And you can go ahead and just cut yourself a hole with plastic. They're not meant for metal, but for plastic, they will do the job. So they will have the right size hole saw for you. So that's gonna be it, guys. I'm out of here. Have a good night. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.